Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 1 and it has been quite the weekend already. Yesterday was the market. I didn't sell very much at the market, so that was kind of a pity, but my sister did well, so that was really wonderful. Today we are supposed to be putting up the Christmas tree, but Adam is not feeling well. He was up last night with a fever, so I'm not entirely sure. I just woke up, if you see puffy eyes, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get around to it. He did say he's feeling a little better. He's back in bed right now, and then I'm gonna make breakfast for the kids, but yeah, so we'll see how today goes. We had a very busy day yesterday. We went to some of the Light Up the Town festivities that our town has every November 30th, so that was really fun, and I took some footage of that, so I'm gonna spend my morning drinking coffee and editing that footage so that maybe I can do a pre-Vlogmas episode today for everyone to see and then put this one up tomorrow. So we'll see if we end up having the tree go up today. Me and the kids need to go get some groceries, so that will be something that we probably end up doing, and yeah, hopefully Adam gets to feeling better. So I've done a little bit of tidying up this morning. Adam is still in bed, so I had a couple things I wanted to get done before, a couple more things I wanted to get done before we go to the store. Me and the kids are gonna go grocery shopping and out for lunch so that Adam has some extended quiet time. I want to put some soup on before we leave, and I also was going to spend some time working on the Jessie tree ornaments. This is our first year doing a Jessie tree. It's essentially just a 24-day devotion. We did buy a book for ours. As the kids get older, we might end up curating our own pictures of the felt ornaments in order to paint my own on some wood slices. So I have some finishing touches to do on the first few because they are not done. I will be doing them as I go, or through December. So I'll show you what I'm working on. So it looks like the first day is the actual Jessie tree, and this is what the felt ornament looks like. Did a wood slice with watercolor, and then I think I'm going to add just a few gold acrylic accents, and I had been thinking I would do white acrylic accents on all of them, but I can't really see where white would be needed on this particular design, so I might just do the white on a few of them. And then second day is the earth, and third day is the apple, and I actually do have those three. Oh, and I have that one done too. Good. So I will have 4 days done after today, and then I can hopefully just keep up. So yeah, gonna work on those. Okay, so I got those done. I didn't end up putting gold or white on that because I thought it looked fine just the way it was. So anyway, so first 5 days, these two might be switched in order. Ready, they need to dry a little bit more. And I think I'm gonna try to find a special box that will fit an ornament so that the kids can like open up the box every day that we do the devotion. So I'm gonna make some soup now, and yeah, then we're gonna go shopping.